guys, so today I'm doing something a little bit different. I've been sent these crochet kits by Hi Crochet, and they've sent me this little puffer fish which is meant to be like a bubble, like amigurumi, which looks kind of cool, and I've seen them somewhere before and wanted to try them. And then this one is the giraffe and it wiggles, it moves, so I can't wait to try this. So first of all, packaging, perfect. It's nice and bright, it looks lovely, and for gifting, amazing. I love that. So let's have a look and see what's inside. Okay, so let's see what we've got inside. I'm excited. Okay, so we've got, oh, okay, it's stuffing. Great, that must be for the head. And we've got a glue stick. Not sure what that's for just yet. We'll figure it out. And we've got some white, lovely yarn. My goodness, this is so soft. It's a lot thinner than my usual plushy yarn. More like a double knit, but I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. And we've got brown. I'm guessing that's for the spots on the giraffe and the little antlers. Sorry if I've got that word wrong. And a 2mm hook. Wow, okay, I don't usually use a 2mm. I'm more of a 4mm/5mm girl, so we'll see how that goes. And finally, for the yarns, we've got this lovely orangey yellow colour. Same yarn again, same texture, double knit kind of size to it. Beautiful, absolutely stunning, and it doesn't seem to be falling apart either. Then we've got a yarn needle and a little pack with some stitch markers, a keyring, and the eyes. So I'm guessing we're gluing the eyes on. Okay, so the last thing we've got in this little pack is this little leaflet. It's more of a card. So it's got the pattern link on there and also one of the little things that you scan rather than the written pattern. And then we've also got this, which came in the box, which is, I'm guessing, the thing that makes it move. And it's got little lights on it too. So let's get the cracking. Okay guys, so confession time. When I saw that 2mm hook, I kind of panicked. I thought, no, I'm not going to be able to do this. But believe me, it's worked up like a dream. And using a 2mm hook is perfect for this. There's no holes in it whatsoever. And the yarn just looks so neat. Even if you're a bit of a wonky crocheter, it looks so neat. And the plushy yarn itself is perfect. It's so soft and it doesn't fall apart like most plushy yarns do. So if you're thinking of buying this for yourself or gifting it to someone, I definitely recommend it because you're not going to get the frustration of the yarn falling apart. So I think this kit would be great for anyone who wants to try out crochet or has done a bit of crochet previously but wants to work on an amigurumi, and he is so cute. I love him. Look at how cute he is. So I used the hot glue stick and I used it with a lighter. So I lit the end of the glue stick to stick on the spots and the eyes. Of course, you can use a hot glue gun if you've got one, but I didn't. So I did it that way, which is, you know, perfect. And you can also sew on the little spots if you wanted to. So at the bottom, we've got a on-off switch and it requires 3 AA batteries. And he's also got little lights on him and 2 buttons at the back that do this when you press them.
The dusty night rides down the sky and ushers in the morn.
And he also copies. Woohoo! And of course I had to make up the little fish kit that came with it as well. And he's adorable. Look how cute he is. He was really easy and quick to make and fits on your keys. And look at that. It's adorable. I absolutely love him. He's going to be going on my keys as my little stress reliever. So I'm going to be taking him with me everywhere. It was really simple to work up, so great for beginners. It's basically just a circle with a few bits sewn on, and the little bubble inside. It's so fun to play with. So the yarn, yet again, is beautifully soft, just like the giraffe, and does not split, which is perfect. And that's everything from me, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed this little review, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye for now.